this cute, simple app. It's called Tappy. And guess what? It was made by Claude AI in just about 30 minutes. Honestly. So let's build the app. I'm starting with a really basic prompt here, just telling Claude I want an affirmations app with a counter for each affirmation. Okay. Here Claude is giving me the code. Super fast. And there it is, a basic layout already. It's kind of crazy. I'm someone who hardly knows how to code, but I kept hearing about this idea of vibe coding, where you just describe what you want, and the AI builds it for you. So I thought, why not? I should definitely give this a try. And that's how this little affirmations app came to life. Tappy lets you track multiple affirmations in one place without resetting the count every time you switch between them. Simple, clean, and focused. Exactly how I imagined it. Next, I want multiple counters, one for each affirmation. So I updated the prompt to say, let users add different affirmations and count them separately. Claude gave me a nice array-based solution. Super smooth. Okay. Okay. It works. It pops up and I can start tracking right away. At this point, I'm just tweaking things, like font size, colors, and tap feedback. Now I'm renaming everything to match the vibe. Tappy feels fun and light, joyful and present. I asked Claude to add haptic feedback, a little vibration when you tap the count, and it just did it. Wild. All right, now I'm adding a title at the top, just so users know what they're tracking. Okay. This light color feels right. It keeps the focus on the affirmations. And finally, I'm just testing everything. Adding a few affirmations. Tapping each one. And yes, it works. It tracks each affirmation's count separately, without resetting anything. This entire process took about 30 minutes. I didn't touch a single piece of complex code manually. I just explained my vision, and Claude helped me build it. If you're thinking about making an app, whether it's for affirmations, journaling, habit tracking, or something totally different, this is your sign to start. Like this video if it inspired you. Hit subscribe if you want to see more AI-powered builds. And let me know in the comments,